Hello beautiful people, welcome back to V's Kitchen. In today's video I will be showing you how I prepare my Nigeria moimoi. So let's get started. So guys, these are the ingredients I will be using to prepare my Nigeria moimoi. In here I have my washed beans, my Scotch bonnet pepper, red pepper and onions. I also have my mackerel fish, my cooked eggs. I also have crayfish, tomato paste and vegetable oil. So guys, this is the food can I will be using to prepare my moimoi. I have my seasoning cube and salt for taste. So first is to parboil my mackerel fish. As you can see, it's all washed. So I will be boiling it with a little bit of seasoning and diced onions. I add small water so that it can boil well. So after 9 to 10 minutes, my mackerel fish is ready. I'll set it aside. Then grind my washed beans with Scotch bonnet pepper, my red pepper, onions and my crayfish. Nice to grind everything together. I add a little water for quick grind. So this is the process I will be using for all my beans. So as you can see, my moimoi is ready. So next is to oil my food plastic can so that my moimoi will not stick to it when it is cooked. So now is to stir my grounded beans. So after I have stirred for about few seconds, I add my salt, my melt seasoning cube. I have to melt it so that it will not be plumpy inside the moimoi. I add my tomato paste, then my vegetable oil. I stir it together properly, mix and stir it together. So after proper mix, I put inside my food container. And because the plastic is so very small, I'll be adding half boiled egg and half boiled mackerel fish. So this is the process I will be using in all the container. So guys, as you can see, my mama is ready to be cooked. So I put water inside my pot and arrange the food can inside the pot. So I will be checking from time to time to add more water if it's necessary. So after about 70 minutes, my mama is cooked and ready. Wow, as you can see, looking so yummy. And you can eat it with rice, custard, pap, and gari. Yes, gari. And you can even eat it like that. I actually love eating my moimoi with gari. So guys, leave me a comment down below and tell me what best you like eating your moimoi. So healthy and tastes delicious. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not, feel free to share, and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Thanks for watching. For my returning subscriber, thanks for your support. See you in my next video. Bye bye.